You can follow every plan, torque every bolt, and still find your airplane stuck on the ground. Inspections delayed, paperwork questioned, insurance on hold, and answers that never seem clear. Home building is freedom, but the real battle starts on paper, not in the hangar. This is FAAVS Home Building, the truth you won't find in the manuals. This aircraft sells a dream of efficiency and long-range freedom, but reality shows up before the first engine start. Building a canard is not just a technical project. It is a long-term commitment that tests patience and discipline. The Cozy Mark IV immediately separates builders who love documentation from those who tolerate it, because this airplane rewards methodical thinking and punishes shortcuts without mercy. Beyond paperwork, the design itself shapes the experience. The canard layout delivers excellent efficiency and range, but it also demands precision in construction and rigging. Small deviations affect pitch behavior, trim authority, and landing characteristics. Builders quickly learn that accuracy is not optional, because the aircraft tells on you in flight if something is off. The inspection phase becomes a psychological checkpoint. Inspectors expect a clear narrative, why choices were made, how problems were solved, and where weight was added or removed in pounds. Builders who can explain their airplane confidently often gain trust quickly. Those who cannot usually face delays, rechecks, and quiet skepticism that stretches timelines far longer than expected. Flight testing reshapes mindset completely. This is not a machine for impulsive flying, it is one that rewards discipline. Test cards, data collection, and repeatability matter more than excitement. Insurance companies read these logs carefully before offering coverage in United States dollars, using documentation as a proxy for pilot judgment rather than flight hours alone. Ownership becomes an education in long-term thinking. Annual condition inspections, avionics changes, and minor tweaks must always align with logbooks. Because the airplane is efficient and forgiving at cruise, builders sometimes forget how sensitive it is to configuration drift. Clean records become a form of self-defense against future questions. And once builders realize how unforgiving a canard can be to sloppy thinking, they are rarely surprised that faster composite aircraft demand even more discipline from day one. This aircraft does not pretend to be gentle. From the moment construction begins, everything about it signals speed, aggression, and consequence. Composite structure, retractable landing gear, and high cruise numbers attract attention long before the airplane flies. Glasair III enters the picture as a statement piece, and inspectors, insurers, and buyers treat it exactly that way. The airframe itself shapes bureaucracy. Composite construction hides mistakes better than metal, which makes inspectors cautious. They want proof, not confidence. Builders must show how structure was bonded, how repairs were handled, and how systems were integrated. The faster the airplane, the less tolerance there is for undocumented decisions. Inspection day often becomes a stress test. Logs are reviewed with expectation, not curiosity. Gear systems are cycled repeatedly, emergency procedures questioned, and cockpit logic evaluated as if it were a certified aircraft. Small details like unlabeled switches or vague notes can derail momentum. Builders quickly learn that speed multiplies scrutiny. Flight testing is where reputations are built or damaged. Cooling margins, handling at high speed, and system reliability must be demonstrated cleanly and logged precisely. Insurance underwriters treat this aircraft as a specialty risk and often require transition training and recent experience before quoting coverage in United States dollars. Confidence without data rarely works here. Ownership demands respect. Every modification, even cosmetic, can affect weight, balance, or airflow. Annual inspections feel more formal, and composite repairs require written methods and verification. Builders who treat records casually often find themselves grounded longer than expected after small changes. By the time owners understand how performance amplifies every bureaucratic and operational detail, they are ready for aircraft, where innovation and novelty raise the stakes even further. This aircraft looks like a promise of the future parked on the ramp. Carbon fiber lines, a glass canopy, and numbers that rival certified touring airplanes create instant desire. Efficiency is the headline, but precision is the price. Risen Swiss excellence enters the experimental world carrying expectations closer to a high-end certified aircraft than a weekend home built, and that mindset follows it through every bureaucratic step. The construction itself raises the bar. Composite structures demand documentation that proves not only what was built, but how it was built. Inspectors want evidence of bonding methods, material traceability, and repair philosophy. Because carbon fiber hides mistakes better than aluminum, builders quickly learn that clean photos and clear explanations matter as much as the structure itself. Inspection focuses on discipline rather than novelty. Weight and balance in pounds becomes critical because the aircraft operates near efficiency limits where small deviations change handling and margins. Control harmony, flap behavior, landing gear logic, and system redundancy receive careful attention. When documentation is tight, inspectors gain confidence fast. When it is vague, progress slows dramatically. Flight testing shifts from exploration to validation. Cooling margins, approach profiles, and energy management must be demonstrated repeatedly and logged with intention. Insurance companies often ask for structured test summaries and transition training before offering coverage in United States dollars. The airplane's performance attracts attention, but attention demands proof of competence. Ownership rewards planning and punishes complacency. Annual inspections, software updates, and composite repairs require meticulous records. Configuration drift, even minor, can complicate insurance renewals or resale. Builders who treat documentation as part of the aircraft's structure enjoy smoother ownership and stronger long-term value. Once builders realize how efficiency leaves no room for casual thinking, they begin to understand why novelty and propulsion complexity raise the stakes even further. This aircraft challenges tradition before it ever moves under its own power. A personal jet built in a garage disrupts expectations across the entire aviation ecosystem. Excitement is immediate, but skepticism follows closely behind. The SubSonex JSX-2T enters certification under a microscope because turbine propulsion changes how inspectors, insurers, and pilots think about risk. The build phase demands professional-level documentation. Fuel systems, fire protection, electrical routing, and engine mounting receive scrutiny normally reserved for certified jets. Inspectors expect clarity, redundancy, and clear limits. Builders learn quickly that enthusiasm alone does not satisfy concerns when turbine heat, fuel flow, and acceleration come into play. Inspection focuses on systems discipline more than structure. Cockpit labeling, emergency procedures, and system logic must be intuitive and unmistakable. Weight and balance in pounds becomes unforgiving due to the small wing area. Every choice must be defendable on paper because the aircraft operates close to its envelope by design. Flight testing becomes intense and deliberate. Acceleration, climb, and approach profiles leave little margin for improvisation. Test plans must show how the aircraft behaves near limits, and every anomaly must be recorded and resolved. Insurance providers often require turbine time or formal transition training before quoting coverage in United States dollars, regardless of total flight experience. Living with a personal jet changes mindset permanently. Annual inspections involve both airframe and turbine considerations, and service intervals are treated seriously. Documentation must remain flawless because any incident invites immediate scrutiny from multiple directions. Owners who thrive here see paperwork as part of operating a jet, not an inconvenience. And after managing turbine complexity at this level, many builders look back at piston aircraft bureaucracy and realize how forgiving it once seemed. Military-style aircraft attract passion, but they also attract paperwork. Tandem seating, fighter ergonomics, and aggressive handling immediately raise expectations during certification. Builders often underestimate how much detail inspectors expect from systems and structure. The flying legend, Tucano Replica, enters the process carrying the image of a trainer, which means authorities look closely at control integrity, occupant protection, and operational discipline from the first review. Inspection focuses heavily on structure and cockpit logic. Aluminum airframes with military styling still need civil clarity, placards, emergency markings, and intuitive system labeling. Inspectors pay close attention to seat mounts, harness attachments, canopy latching, and visibility because tandem configurations amplify risk perception. Even cosmetic choices can trigger questions if they obscure markings or controls, creating delays that frustrate first-time builders. Flight testing shifts attention to controllability and pilot workload. High roll rates and sensitive pitch demand, careful documentation of approach speeds and recovery behavior. Insurance underwriters often treat Warbird replicas cautiously, requesting documented transition training before offering coverage in United States dollars. Builders who rush testing or skip detailed notes usually face longer restrictions before full operational freedom. Long-term ownership proves that military style brings civilian responsibility. Annual inspections emphasize control wear, canopy mechanisms, and corrosion prevention. Any modification to seats, belts, or avionics must be logged precisely. Builders who maintain clean records enjoy smoother renewals and resale, but the next aircraft pushes bureaucracy further by blending fighter aesthetics with ultralight regulations and far tighter margins. This aircraft looks like a modern light fighter, and that visual alone changes how inspectors approach it. Sleek lines, tandem seating, and compact dimensions invite closer scrutiny before the paperwork even starts. The SF2-T Archon Duo enters the process needing to prove it is disciplined in construction, not just aggressive in appearance. Builders are expected to show clear evidence of structural work, system routing, and strict weight control from the very beginning. Inspection places strong emphasis on balance and control harmony. With relatively high wing loading, even small deviations in rigging or weight distribution matter. Inspectors carefully evaluate control travel limits, trim authority, brake effectiveness, and canopy operation. Documentation that clearly connects build decisions to tested outcomes helps avoid repeat visits. Ambiguity, missing photos, or vague notes almost always result in delays and rechecks. Flight testing becomes an exercise in precision rather than discovery. Approach speeds, stall margins, and recovery behavior must be demonstrated methodically and logged with care. Insurance companies frequently require recent time in similar tandem aircraft before offering coverage in United States dollars. Builders who present structured test data usually progress through operating limitations faster than those relying on confidence alone. Ownership demands zero tolerance for casual record keeping. Annual inspections focus on control linkages, attachment points, and wear areas unique to compact high-performance designs. Any undocumented change invites questions that can ground the aircraft unexpectedly. Builders who master this discipline thrive, and by this stage it becomes obvious that experimental freedom is earned through documentation, not avoided by ignoring it. At first glance, this aircraft feels discreet, almost understated, which often lowers expectations during the early paperwork phase. That impression disappears quickly once inspectors review its configuration, systems, and intended mission profile. The G802 Atairon enters certification with a reputation for balance and efficiency, but it still demands the same proof of careful amateur construction as any other experimental aircraft. Builders must document structural assembly, system routing, and weight control clearly from the beginning. During inspection, attention centers on consistency rather than raw performance. Inspectors look for clean workmanship, predictable control geometry, and logical system layout. Because this aircraft targets efficiency, weight, and balance accuracy in pounds becomes especially important, as small deviations affect handling and range. Documentation that shows deliberate design choices and clean execution usually shortens the approval process significantly. Flight testing emphasizes stability and predictability over excitement. Builders must demonstrate benign stall behavior, cooling margins, and repeatable approach profiles, recording each result methodically. Insurance providers often request summarized test data and basic transition training before quoting coverage in United States dollars. Clear logs signal a disciplined pilot mindset and reduce perceived risk even for less common designs. Ownership reinforces that simplicity does not eliminate bureaucracy. Annual inspections, avionics updates, and minor configuration changes must still be documented accurately. Because the aircraft flies so honestly, builders sometimes underestimate paperwork importance, only to face delays later. Those who stay organized enjoy smooth operations, but the next aircraft reminds builders that tradition introduces its own unique documentation challenges. This aircraft looks traditional, and that appearance often leads builders to assume the approval process will be relaxed. Wooden structures and classic proportions, however, trigger a different type of scrutiny. SD2 SportMaster must demonstrate that historical construction techniques meet modern expectations for consistency, traceability, and repeatability. Builders are expected to document materials, adhesives, and structural methods with the same rigor applied to metal or composite aircraft. Inspection focuses heavily on workmanship quality. Inspectors examine joints, bonding surfaces, alignment, and control continuity, knowing that wood hides errors differently than aluminum or composite. Moisture protection, finish integrity, and hardware installation receive careful attention. Clear build photos and notes explaining each structural step often prevent follow-up visits that delay certification. Flight testing rewards patience. The aircraft's predictable handling must still be proven through logged stalls, climb performance, and cooling behavior. Insurance companies typically value this design's forgiving nature, but still expect documented testing and pilot familiarity before issuing coverage in United States dollars. Builders who treat testing as validation rather than routine usually progress faster. Long-term ownership highlights a different paperwork rhythm. Annual inspections require careful review of structure, finish condition, and environmental exposure effects. Repairs and refinishing must be logged clearly to preserve airworthiness credibility. Builders who respect this process enjoy decades of flying, and by this point, it becomes clear that every experimental aircraft demands paperwork discipline just in its own language. At first glance, this aircraft feels familiar, almost reassuring, which can make builders underestimate the paperwork behind it. Its popularity creates an illusion of simplicity, but high production numbers do not reduce regulatory expectations. Van's RV14 enters certification, with inspectors already knowing where mistakes usually happen. That means logs, photos, and configuration details are compared closely against community standards and known best practices. Inspection focuses on consistency and conformity. Inspectors examine control geometry, fuel system routing, electrical protection, and structural alignment with particular care because deviations are easy to spot on a well-known design. Weight and balance accuracy in pounds is critical, especially with different engine and propeller combinations. Builders who deviate from common configurations must clearly justify and document those decisions. Flight testing tends to move smoothly when treated seriously. Cooling, stall behavior, and climb performance are predictable, but still must be logged methodically. Insurance companies often view this model favorably, yet still expect transition training and documented test results before quoting coverage in United States dollars. Familiarity helps, but only when supported by clean records. Ownership highlights the advantage of a massive builder community, but paperwork remains personal responsibility. Annual inspections, avionics upgrades, and minor changes must match the logs exactly. Buyers and insurers scrutinize documentation closely because comparisons are easy. Builders who stay disciplined enjoy stress-free ownership. But the final aircraft shows how simplicity can still challenge discipline when cost-driven choices enter the picture. This aircraft is built around the idea of simplicity, and that mindset shapes its paperwork journey as well. Builders often approach it expecting minimal bureaucracy, but experimental rules apply just the same. Sonex B Model must prove proper assembly, safe systems, and accurate records regardless of its minimalist philosophy. Inspectors expect the same level of clarity found in more complex aircraft, even if the airplane itself is straightforward. Inspection emphasizes fundamentals. Control travel, fuel delivery, electrical protection, and engine installation are reviewed carefully because simplicity leaves nowhere to hide errors. Weight control in pounds becomes especially important, as small changes can noticeably affect handling. Builders who keep documentation as lean and clear as the aircraft itself usually move through approval with fewer interruptions. Flight testing rewards methodical behavior. Stall characteristics, cooling, and cruise performance must be demonstrated and logged step by step. Insurance providers often ask for basic transition experience and clear test summaries before offering coverage in United States dollars. Confidence alone does not replace documentation, even in an honest flying airplane. Long-term ownership reinforces the lesson that simplicity does not erase responsibility. Annual condition inspections, engine maintenance, and small modifications still require accurate log entries. Because costs are low, owners sometimes delay paperwork, only to regret it later. If this story felt familiar, you are not alone. Every home builder has faced paperwork that slowed progress or inspections that raised new questions. Leave a like if you've lived this reality, comment with your own experience, and share this with another builder who needs it. Stay subscribed for more real aviation stories. Watch the videos on screen and keep flying with us. Bye-bye.